Hey everyone, Dave Cook coming at you with the Franco painting and wallpaper here in the shop with Mark and Daniel as we were doing some wallpaper installation, digital graphics. So it's a Chicago style line that we're doing at a bank actually. But this one doesn't quite show on the video as it shows in person, but two things you can see. Inspecting murals, you always have to inspect them before you put them up. You can see that spot, that spot. So two big spots right almost in the middle of the wall where they're not going anywhere. There's a reason why you really need to inspect your digital graphics, murals, wallpaper before you install them. That way if there's any defects, you know that before you're putting them up. So make sure you check your graphics. If there's an issue, usually you take the pictures, send them to the printer, and you're usually good to go. And there's a couple another one where it's got those marks across it. And that happened all the way down the line of the mural where there's some kind of printing error. So a couple things to look for. The ink, quality of ink, if you look at it from different sides, doesn't show through. It's some, I guess you can kind of see gradations like from in person. This is all pink. It's really weird looking. But things to look for, make sure you check out those murals before you put them up. Check out your wallpaper. If you have questions about what else to look for, give us a call at the Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.